Hello friends, myself Subhash Nagarse from Sri Digambar Jain Gurukul High School, Solapur. I shall welcome to all of you in this session of 9th Mathematics Part 1st. The today's topic is Polynomials Part 4. In this session, we are going to discuss with the practice set 3.2. Friends, in the previous session of this Polynomials Part 3, we have been discussed with the following important subtopics of this chapter. That is operations on polynomials, wherein we discussed with addition of polynomials, subtraction of the polynomials, multiplication of the polynomials and division of polynomials. In this session, we are going to discuss with the practice set 3.2, which is based on the above, that is operations on the polynomials. So let us start with practice set 3.1. Friends, the problem number 1 in this is use the given letters to write the answers. There are 8 trees in the village. After X years, it should be like this. Number of trees in the village lot is equal to A. Then a number of trees increasing each year is equal to B. Then we can write the number of trees after X years will be A plus BX. Therefore, there will be A plus BX trees in the village lot after X years. Second, for the parade, there are Y students in each row and X such row are formed. Then, how many students are there for the parade in all? Friends, we know it is given that total rows is equal to X and number of students in each row is given as Y. Therefore, the total students is equal to total rows into number of students in each row, which will be equal to X into Y, that is XY. Therefore, we can write there are in all XY students for the parade. Third one, the tens and units place of 2-digit number is m and n respectively. Write the polynomial which represents the 2-digit number. Friends, it is given that a digit in the unit place is equal to n and digit in tens place is equal to m. Therefore, the 2-digit number is equal to 10 into digit in unit place plus digit in unit place. So, which is equal to 10m plus n. Therefore, you can write the polynomial representing the 2-digit number is 10m plus n. Problem number 2. Add the given x cube plus 2x plus 9. So friends, first of all, we will see that x cube minus 2x square minus 9 plus 5x cube plus 2x plus 9, which will be equal to x cube minus 2x square minus 9 plus 5x cube plus 2x plus 9. We will bring the similar term at one place. So x cube plus 5x cube minus 2x square plus 2x minus 9 plus 9. So the answer will be x cube plus 5x cube, that will be 6x cube minus 2x square plus 2x and minus 9 plus 9 get cancelled. So this will be the result. Minus 7m raised to 4 plus 5m cube plus root 2 and 5m fourth minus 3m square plus 2m square plus 3m minus 6. So it could be written like this. In one bracket we can write minus 7m fourth plus 5m cube plus root 2. In another bracket, the next polynomial, that is 5m fourth minus 3m square plus 2m square plus 3m minus 6, which will be equal to minus 7m fourth plus 5m cube plus root 2 plus 5m fourth minus 3m cube plus 2m square plus 3m minus 6. So, which will be equal to minus 7m raised to 4 plus 5m raised to 4 plus 5m cube minus 3m cube plus 2m square plus 3m plus root 2 minus 6. The similar terms brought together and underline them. Now we will get the answer as minus 2m fourth, that is minus 7m fourth plus 5m fourth. Here it will be minus 2m fourth. Then 5m cube minus 3m square, that will be plus 2m cube plus 2m square plus 3m and root 2 minus 6. 2y square plus 7y plus 5. So it could be written like this: in one bracket 2y square plus 7y plus 5, under bracket 3y plus 9, and third one is 3y square minus 4y minus 3. We'll split them. 2y square plus 7y plus 5 plus 3y plus 9 plus 3y square minus 4y minus 3. So all bracket removed. So here it could be written similar terms will bring together. So 2y square plus 3y square plus 7y plus 3y minus 4y plus 5 plus 9 minus 3. We'll simplify them, and the answer you are getting is 5y square plus 6y plus 11. 5y square, that is from 2y square plus 3y square, and 6y from 7y plus 3y minus 4y, and plus 5 plus 9 minus 3, that gives you 11. So friends, we'll continue with the problem number 3. Subtract the second polynomial from the first. X square minus 9x plus root of 3, and minus 19x plus root 3 plus 7 square. Friends, we'll write those. X square minus 9x plus root 3 minus into bracket minus of 19x plus root 3 plus 7x square. The signs for the polynomial in the bracket will get changed due to before the bracket there is a minus sign. Therefore it can be written as x square minus 9x plus root 3 plus 19x minus root 3 and minus 7x square. We'll bring the similar terms together. So it is x square minus 7x square minus 9x plus 19x plus root 3 minus root 3. So friends, it will be x square minus 7x square, that gives you minus 6x square, plus minus 9x plus 19x, that gives you plus 10x, plus root 3 minus 3 get cancelled. Minus 4ab, this is 1, and the second polynomial that could be subtracted is 3ab minus 8ab square plus 2a square b. Friends, we'll write this with sign. 2ab square plus 3a square b minus 4ab minus into bracket 3ab minus 8ab square plus 2a square b. We'll solve the bracket, and the signs in the bracket sign will get changed in the second polynomial. 2ab square plus 3a square b minus 4ab minus 3ab plus 8ab square minus 2a square b. Similar terms will bring together. So it would be 2ab square plus 8ab square plus 3a square b minus 2a square b minus 4ab and minus 3ab. The answer what you are getting is 2ab square plus 8ab square, that gives you 10ab square, plus 3a square b minus 2a square b, that gives a square b, and minus 4ab minus 3ab, that gives you minus 7ab. So friends, we'll see the next problem number 4. Multiply the given polynomials. 2x, it is multiplied to x square minus 2x minus 1. First we'll see the horizontal method, that is 2x into x square minus 2x minus 1. Each term is multiplied. 2x is multiplied to x square minus 2x is multiplied to 2x, the second term in the bracket, and 2x multiplied with the last term, that is third one, minus 2x into 1. So it will get you 2x into x square, that is 2x cube, minus 2x into 2x, that is 4x square, and minus 2x ones are minus 2x. So this is the answer. In vertical method, that could be written or calculation did like this: x square minus 2x minus 1 get multiplied with 2x, 2x ones are 2x, 2x into 2x is minus 4x square, 2x x cube plus 2x square plus 1. We will see the horizontal method. Here x cube minus 1 into x cube plus 2x square plus 2. First of all, we will multiply x5 with the whole second polynomial, that is x cube plus 2x square plus 2 minus 1 is multiplied again the same whole bracket, that is x cube plus 2x square plus 2. Friends, the result will be like this. The multiplication of the first two will be x raised to 5 into x cube plus x5 into 2x square plus x5 into 2, means x5 is multiplied with each term in the bracket. In the second, we will do the same thing. Minus 1 is multiplied to each term, that is minus 1 into x cube, then minus 1 into 2x square minus 1 into 2. So the answer will be x raised to 8 plus 2x raised to 7 plus 2x raised to 5 minus x cube minus 2x square minus 2. Third problem, 2y plus 1 is multiplied to y square minus 2y plus 3y. Same will do as that of the second problem. Here 2y plus 1 in one bracket and y square minus 2y cube plus 3y in the second. So we'll multiply with 2y to the whole bracket, that is y square minus 2y cube plus 3y. Then plus 1 is multiplied with y square minus 2y cube plus 3y. So the product will be 2y into y square minus 2y into 2y cube plus 2y into 3y plus 1 into y square minus 1 into 2y cube plus 1 into 3y. So the result will be like this: 2y cube minus 4y square plus 6y square with the first half red color, then the blue color that gives you y square minus 2y cube plus 3y. We'll bring the similar terms together, so this will be minus 4y 4 plus 2y cube minus 3y cube plus 6y square plus y square. Continue with problem number 5. Divide first polynomial by the second polynomial and write the answer in the form of dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. X cube minus 64 is divided by x minus 4. So first of all we will see the x cube minus x 64 is equal to, we'll write in the decreasing order of their power or indices, so that can be written as x cube plus 0x square plus 0x minus 64. Since there after x cube constant term is there, so square term and x raised to 1 term that we have to write with 0 as a coefficient. So here we get that the dividend is equal to x cube minus 64 and divisor is x minus 4. So the division could be carried out like this: x square plus 0x square plus 0x minus 64, it is divided by x minus 4. Here we can get that x cube upon x, that gives you x square, that is the first quotient that is written over there, and after multiplication to x minus 4 with x square, you are getting that x cube minus 4x square. We'll subtract these two, x cube get cancelled and 0x square plus, as here we are going to subtract, the signs of the x cube minus 4x square will change. So x cube minus x cube get cancelled, 0x square plus 4x square, that gives you 4x square, and 0x from the this dividend we taken at the below, so it is 4x square plus 0x. Now 4x square is divided by x, that gives you 4x. So the second term in the quotient is 4x. 4x is multiplied with x minus 4, that will be given like this: 4x square minus 16x. As we are again here carrying the subtraction, so 4x square minus 16x, the sign will change, that will become minus and plus. Minus 64 from the top, dividend is taken at the below. So again this 16x divided by x, that gives you 16, that is 16 is at the quotient last term. So 16 into bracket x minus 4, the product is this one, 16x minus 64. Again here subtraction we are doing, the signs will change. 16x minus 16x get cancelled, minus 64 plus 64 get cancelled, you are getting 0 as the remainder. So friends, here you will get that the quotient is equal to x square plus 4x plus 16 and remainder is equal to 0. And now dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder, this is the formula. So you put the values, therefore you can write 64 minus x cube minus 64 is equal to x minus 4 in one bracket, which is the divisor, and x square plus 14x plus 16 as a quotient plus remainder is 0. Let us consider one more problem. 5x raised to 5 plus 4x square minus 3x cube plus 2x square plus 2 is divided by x square minus x. Friends, here we know that the dividend given is 5x raised to 5 plus 4x square minus 3x square plus 2x square plus 2, and divisor is x square minus x. So 5x raised to 5 plus 4x 4 minus 3x cube plus 2x square plus 2, only one term is missing, that is x raised to power 1, that will write here. So it could be written in the decreasing order of their indices as 5x raised to 5 plus 4x square minus 3x cube plus 2x plus 0x and plus 2. So I will start, that is I will write the dividend at its place. and divisor at its place. We will carry the division. Here 5x raised to 5 upon x square. That gives you 5x raised to x square minus x will be like this, 5x raised to 5 minus 5x raised to 4. So the signs will be changed as we are doing subtraction. So 5x cube minus 5x cube get cancelled. And the second term 4x raised to 4 minus 5x raised to 4. Here minus 5x raised to 4, rather than after changing the sign it will become plus. So 5 plus 4 is 9x raised to 4 minus 3x square from the dividend. So now 9x raised to 4 divided by x square, that gives you 9x square. So 9x square is multiplied to x square minus x divisor, that gives you as 9x raised to 4 minus 9x cube. Friends, here the signs will change, therefore 9x fourth and 9x fourth minus, that will get cancelled. Minus 3x square and plus 9x cube, minus 3x cube and minus plus 9x cube, that gives you 6x cube, and 2x square from the top is taken at the below. Therefore now 6x cube upon x square, that gives you simply 6x. So 6x multiplied to x square minus x, that gives you 6x cube minus 6x square. So friends, the signs will change, therefore 6x cube minus 6x cube get cancels. 2x cube plus 6x cube, that will be 8x square. When you are dividing this 8x square by x square, you will get simply 8. So plus 8 will be at there at the quotient place. So when 8 is multiplied to x square minus x, that gives you 8x square minus 8x. So 8x square and minus 8x square get cancels. 0 plus 8x 8x and 2 taken from the top. So 8x when divided by x square is not possible. Therefore now 8x plus 2 will become the remainder. Friends, here we will get quotient is 5x cube plus 9x square plus 6x plus remainder. So you can be put it into formula as 5x raised to 5 plus 4x square minus 3x square plus 2x square plus 2 as a dividend, and divisor is x square minus x, and quotient that we got after division is 5x cube plus 9x square plus 6x plus 8 plus remainder is 8x plus 2. This is what the practice set 3 point. Friends, now we'll see one more problem from this practice set 3 point, as write down the information in the form of algebraic expressions and simplify. There is a rectangular form with the length 2a square plus 3b square meter and breadth is equal to a square plus b square meter. The farmer used to square shape plot of the farm to build a house. The sides of the plot was a square minus b square meter. What is the area of the remaining part of the farm? Friends, here length of the rectangular farm is equal to 2a square plus 3b square and breadth of the rectangular farm given as a square plus b square. Now area of the farm will be length into breadth. So that could be 2a square plus 3b square in one bracket into a square plus b square another bracket, that is the breadth. Now which will be can be written as 2a square into a square plus b square plus 3b square into bracket a square plus b square. So multiplication could be like this, 2a square plus 2 a square b square plus 3a square b square plus 3b raised to 4. So here you will get 2a square plus 5a square b square plus 3b fourth. First, the farmer used a square shaped plot of the farm to build a house. Side of the square shaped plot is a square minus b square. Therefore area of the plot is equal to side square, which will be a square minus b square bracket raised to square, and that expansion will be a fourth minus area of the farm minus area of the plot. Therefore area of the farm, that from the equation 1, that will be 2a fourth plus 5a square b square plus 3b fourth minus area of the plot given in the second, that is a fourth minus 2a square b square plus b fourth. So 2a square 2a fourth plus 5a square b square plus 3b fourth minus a fourth plus 2a square b square minus b fourth. So what get cancelled, similar terms brought together, that will be 2a fourth minus a fourth plus 5a square b square plus 2a square b square plus 3b fourth minus b fourth. So after subtraction, will get that a fourth plus 7a square b square plus 2b fourth. Therefore, the area of the remaining form is a fourth plus 7a square b square plus 2b fourth square meter. So friends, till now what we have been discussed. In this session, we have discussed on the following subtopics of this chapter, that is polynomial and operations on polynomials, then addition polynomials, subtraction of polynomials, multiplication of polynomials and division of polynomials. All these operations are placed in the practice set, this 3.1 that we have been discussed. So friends, will you try these problems? Add 2x square plus 6x plus 5 and 3x square minus 2x minus 1. Simplify 5x raised to 4 minus 3x square plus 4, 6x cube minus 4x square minus 7. Subtract 2x square y minus 5xy plus 3y square from 7xy minus 6y square plus minus 6x raised to 5 plus 2x square. Multiply 3x square and this 4x square minus 5x plus 7. Multiply again this 4x minus 5 in bracket to the second polynomial 2x square plus 3x minus 6. Divide this x square minus 9x minus 10 by x plus 1. Second, divided 2x cube minus 9x square plus 15 by 2x minus 5. Friends, those you should not forget the famous words of Shakuntala Devi. What is mathematics? It is only a systematic effort by solving puzzles posed by nature. Friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, share with your friends, and press the bell icon to have notifications of the next videos. With these words, I would like to say thank you.